So in this video, I hope to compare some different materials for making char cloth. Going to put them in these little metal containers, put them on my forge, heat them up, and make some char cloth. This is the first candidate. It's a cotton canvas. Second candidate is the same canvas but washed in the wash machine. This is what I thought was a cotton jersey fabric. And this is good old recycled t-shirt. You'll notice that this t-shirt is 100% cotton. I've got my forge running here. Start putting the samples on. I've just put them in there, 4 different samples. Around a little bit. If you get them in one spot, they tend to heat up pretty fast. Started at 8:33. Let them go. Speed up time here a little bit. It's now 8:38. It's been 5 minutes. And I'm taking them off the forge. Those are all 4 samples. Opening them up. This was the canvas, the cotton canvas, unwashed. It gave some okay flakes. This second sample here is actually the recycled t-shirt, 100% cotton, and it turned out beautiful. Love that material. This was that what I thought was supposed to be some jersey cotton. Nope, it just gooed up into a ball. No good. Must have a lot of plastic materials in it or something. This is actually the same, that canvas washed, it's a little more crumbly. So it turned out better to not wash it. Here's the 4 samples. So now I'm going to attempt to catch a spark in each of these char cloths. Just doing a few test strikes there. You can see these are the strikers that I make, by the way. So this is a piece of the canvas, cotton canvas, unwashed. That's the canvas that it started as. I actually didn't have high hopes for this. I tried before and I couldn't get a spark, but here when I was recording it, I ended up catching a spark. So that was, that canvas will work, but it's a thicker material. It's a little more brittle. I didn't like it quite as much, but I did catch a spark. You can see there. Blow on it a little bit. Thumbs up. Material is the white jersey cotton. I didn't even try it. There's just no way to hold on to it and try to catch a spark. This is the washed canvas. It was, I don't know, it was pretty crumbly. It was really hard to try and catch a spark. You're holding on to it, it just wants to fall apart. I tried a bunch of different times. Here I am just trying, get sparks, trying a different way. Sorry, I'm off the camera there, but I couldn't get anything. Really hard material. And this last, then the last one I'll do here is this is the recycled t-shirt, or 100% cotton, just an old t-shirt. It's flexible. I really like it. It's easy to hold on to. And it catches a spark really well. it is. Thumbs up on that one. That was the recycled t-shirt. Blow on it a little more and see it flaring up there. The two winners, recycled t-shirt and the canvas cloth. Those are the two. So there's the recycled t-shirt and its char cloth result. This is what was supposed to be jersey cotton. It must have some other materials in it because it didn't turn out very well at all. And there's its result. The unwashed canvas cloth and its result, it was okay, not my favorite. And of course the washed canvas and its result. So what was my choice? Recycled 100% cotton t-shirt. Thanks for watching. Take care.